Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Buick Enclave versus Volkswagen Atlas. We'll explore their key attributes, from performance to interior comfort, helping you determine which three-row SUV best suits your needs. Let's dive into the details and see how these popular family vehicles stack up against each other. When it comes to power, the Buick Enclave boasts a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivering 328 horsepower. The Volkswagen Atlas, on the other hand, offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with 269 horsepower. Both provide smooth rides, but the Enclave generally offers a more refined driving experience, while the Atlas focuses on practicality and confident handling for its size. Inside, the Buick Enclave emphasizes luxury, with a spacious cabin offering 157.3 cubic feet of passenger volume and an impressive 30-inch ultra-wide display. The Volkswagen Atlas provides 154 cubic feet of passenger volume and a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen. Both vehicles prioritize comfort and connectivity, featuring amenities like 3-zone climate control and wireless smartphone integration to enhance every journey for all 7 passengers. For cargo, the Enclave provides up to 97.4 cubic feet with rear seats folded, while the Atlas offers 96.8 cubic feet. Both come equipped with advanced safety suites, including features like automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, ensuring peace of mind. The Enclave typically starts around $45,000, with the Atlas beginning closer to $41,000. Consider your priorities for luxury versus practicality. And speaking of making things easy, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.